Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all enjoyed the last video. So today we're looking at the TitanFall 2 Atlas pilot by Funko Pop. Basically Atlas from TitanFall 2. If you've played TitanFall 2, you'll know the mechanical robot Atlas and their pilot. It's the main one you play as in the story, I believe. It's a lot bigger than the standard Funko Pop. On the back it also shows that the pilot goes into the Atlas, which I like because it takes up less room on the display purpose shelf. You can display it open or closed by the looks of it. So I bought this because I was a massive fan of Titanfall 2 back in the day, and I wanted to sort of get myself a little something to remember that by. Now as you can see, the box is large. It's a lot bigger than a standard Funko Pop. It's kind of the reason I bought it. It was only $9.99. I don't think you can go wrong at a price like that. I do like to get myself a bargain, as we know on this channel. I'm hoping it's smaller when it's out of the box because I don't actually have room to store this on my Funko Pop / figurine shelf. So I'm hoping this is, you know, smaller out of the box. But enough of the whiffle waffle. Let's get on with the unboxing. Wow, okay, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it's a lot heavier than I thought. Okay, so I don't know what to say about it other than I'm overly impressed. Alright, let's go in for a closer look. Ta-da! Okay, this, I can tell you now, is amazing. This is an amazing bit of kit right now. I'm really impressed. I want to thank the Funko guys for releasing these, and I automatically want to go and buy the other two that I see. I bought Atlas because he was my main guy. I did like him, and to be honest, with the autofocus on this camera, it's probably best just to give you the 360 of Atlas spinning. So yeah, I mean, there's not much to say about it other than it's amazing quality. It's really white, it's vibrant white, it's not like a dull grey white. You can probably tell that by looking at the background compared to Atlas. He's a lot brighter than the background now. I love the blue and the greens, the little subtle purples they've put on now. Shiny metallic paint on the joints and the helmet. Right, let's have a look at the opening mechanism. So it's just a basic plastic hinge across the top and across the bottom now. That opens up like that. Pop him in. Okay, he stands in quite well by himself. If you push him too far back, he tends to fall forward. I'm doing all this with one hand just to show how easy it is. And then he doesn't fall out. So it keeps your little figure safe inside the big figure. Pretty good. I'm really liking it. Yeah, I would go and give this figure 5 out of 5. Shayna's seal of approval, 100%. If you see one of these out cheap, because now Titanfall's been out for many years now, you might be able to pick these up cheap. So if you can, grab yourself one of these, and if you can't, go on Amazon. They're still a fair price. They're sort of 15-20 quid on Amazon. Like I say, I paid $9.99 for mine, so I wasn't going to leave it, especially that it is Atlas. But I might buy another couple of these. If you want to see me unbox another couple of these, see if they're as good a quality, see if there's, you know, size difference between them, what pilots you get with them, you know, all that sort of stuff. Leave me a comment down below and maybe I'll get some more of these and we'll do some more videos. So until next time, thank you for joining me again. I appreciate all your views and likes and support. And if you're new to the channel, drop off a subscribe and a like, and I'll see you again next time.